What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den, and coming at you with a brand new camera. We are now using the Canon M50. Yes, it's the EOS M50. This is just a great camera for the price, and it is a full-on DSLR camera, so we will be able to get much better pictures for Instagram, and of course just much better vlogging quality as well. So bear with me if I keep doing this, looking over to the right. This camera, unlike the old camera, has a flip out screen, so I'm not used to that. My old camera did not do that, so bear with me on that. I might be looking over there kind of a lot. It's gonna take some getting used to, but I'll do my best to look directly into your face. Anyway, guys, this camera, we're using the same handheld tripod that I was using before. We have the Rode VideoMic Go big ass shotgun mic on the top of this thing, so hopefully now the wind noise will be actually fixed. The mic on the old Sony camera did help, however it did not help that much. It helped to the point where it wouldn't blast your eardrums out because of how loud it was. Instead, it kind of just muffled everything. You couldn't hear the audio of the video. So I'm hoping this mic will be much better. Supposedly it is. This is one of the reasons why I decided to upgrade the camera. So guys, we'll be getting much better quality cinematic footage as well with this camera because it has image stabilization, actual physical image stabilization in the lens, unlike the old camera where it relied on electronics. And of course, the overall quality of the video will be drastically improved, as you can probably already tell. And also, it will make it much easier to vlog. Just being able to see the screen is a huge deal, and this camera also has much better focusing ability and face tracking, so a lot less blurry video. Anyway, guys, here's a quick channel update. So a lot of you may know I just came back from vacation today. I flew home today. I am freaking exhausted, but I wanted to try out the camera. I wanted to get you guys a quick video. I want to get it released, and I wanted to try out the camera. I have not been really able to fully test it. Haven't even been able to try cinematic footage, which we're not really going to do right now. Hey guys, 2021 is here. We are just about to hit 100 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough. I promise you, 2021 is going to... And the camera stopped recording. I'm still learning this camera. Anyway, we're about to hit 100 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough. Like, I've had YouTube channels in the past. I've been doing this since I was 12. And it's just crazy. This is my fastest growing channel yet. Can't thank you guys enough. I promise you 2021 is going to be crazy. And just know it will not be all G37 content. It'll be content with the stuff in the rest of the garage. I know you guys might not be really interested in that, but trust me, give it a try. You guys are gonna enjoy it. There's more to this channel than just the G37. You guys are really gonna enjoy that, so I highly would appreciate it if you guys would check that out as well when it does come out. Of course, I leave town and we finally get snow, and I was not able to try out the SRX over there, but that will be coming soon next time we get enough snow. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. It's a quick little update video. I am back, and we have a few more videos coming on the G. One of them actually isn't on my G, it's on someone else's G, so which will be pretty cool. And there'll be more content from the rest of the stuff in the garage. So I think that's pretty much gonna be it. But yeah, this new camera, I mean, I'm really loving it already. I mean, I can tell it's just much better professional. I mean, the Sony RX100 was a great camera. That was a great starter camera for me. I've been doing YouTube since I was like 10 years old, and I grew up YouTubing on these crappy ass cameras. You know, the terrible audio where if you yell too loud, you blow someone's eardrums out. You know, if they're wearing headsets. So to make my way up to a camera like this, it's just crazy to think about. Like, I'm so happy, and I hope you guys really like this new camera. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get much more better footage, cinematic shots, and audio as well, and hopefully no more wind noise. Anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap up this little update video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. Don't forget to follow our new racing club at SilverFox Racing Group. We're about to hit 100 subs. If you're new, subscribe, please. You won't be disappointed. There's a lot of ass-3 to come. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. And remember, it's our pack, our streets. Stay foxy.